All right, wine lovers, buckle up. Today, we're diving into Napa Valley, America's very own wine paradise. Now, if you've ever dreamt of rolling hills, perfect weather, and more wine than you can shake a corkscrew at, then Napa Valley should be at the top of your bucket list. Picture this. You're driving down a scenic road, windows down, and the aroma of ripening grapes fills the air. Bliss. Let's start with a bit of history, shall we? Napa Valley wasn't always the vinous wonderland it is today. Back in the mid-19th century, it was just a humble agricultural region. But then, some visionary folks thought, hey, why not grow some grapes here? Fast forward a few decades and voila, Napa Valley became synonymous with world-class wine. Now, let's talk numbers. Napa Valley is home to over 400 wineries. Yes, you heard that right. 400. So, if you're planning a trip, make sure you've got a solid game plan and a designated driver. One of the most iconic names here is Robert Mondavi. This guy practically put Napa on the map. His winery is a must-visit, not just for the wine, but for the stunning architecture and art. Trust me, your Instagram will thank you. And speaking of wine, let's not forget the famous Cabernet Sauvignon. If Napa had a superhero, Cab Sauv would be wearing the cape. Bold, rich, and complex, it's the wine that'll make you sit back and go, wow, life is good. But hey, Napa isn't just about the wine. It's about the experience. Picture yourself on a hot air balloon ride at sunrise, floating over the vineyards. Or how about a relaxing spa day followed by a gourmet meal at a Michelin-starred restaurant? Napa Valley is like Disneyland for adults. Now, don't get me wrong, Napa can be a bit pricey. But here's a pro tip. Look for smaller family-owned wineries. They often offer fantastic wines at more reasonable prices, and the personal touch makes the experience unforgettable. Before I wrap this up, let's talk logistics. The best time to visit is during the harvest season, from August to October. The weather's perfect, and you'll catch all the action as grapes are picked and wines are crafted. So there you have it, Napa Valley in a nutshell. Whether you're a seasoned sommelier or just someone who enjoys a good glass of vino, Napa has something for everyone. Cheers to your next adventure in America's wine paradise. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and maybe pour yourself a glass of wine. See you in the next video.